Unboxing the Red Barn Heroes. Ta-da! Welcome to the Red Barn Heroes world. A super farm in the lush hills of a fantasy land with a magical barn treehouse. At this super farm lives Joey, our cute little farm boy who loves to collect apples and stickers. Don't we all love stickers, kids? Once upon a time, in his lookout for stickers, Joey found magical farm stickers. He put them up on the walls of the barn treehouse. And voila! The Red Barn Heroes were born. It's a sunny day at the farm, and look, our superhero farm animals are out to play. Super Sheep loves sliding down the big red slide. Super Duck is swinging away happily. Oh wow! And look at Super Rooster. He's jumping up and down the trampoline so high. Don't you love jumping up and down too, kids? At this super farm also lives a beautiful green tractor, Lucy. Joey loves to sit on Lucy and ride around the farm. Lucy loves to smile and talk with her eyes. Oh no, Lucy looks worried. Who's that in the sky? It is Gander the goose. This mischievous goose wants to take over the farm. With its big, strong wings, Gander the goose is very good at flying and attacking. The goose is coming for a big farm attack. It seems like something adventurous is going to happen on the super farm. Ready for some adventure with the Red Barn Heroes, kids? Then let's get started. This is the inside of the Red Barn. And this is Super Cow, Cowie. She wears a pink cape and a dotted pink bow all the time. Isn't she pretty, kids? Cowie's a milk marvel. When she sips on yummy super milk, she gets the superpower to do heavy-duty tasks like lifting the big milk cans in a finger snap. Oops! Cowie spilled milk while lifting the cans. That's silly. Cowie also eats healthy. She eats all the yummy fruits and vegetables that grow on the farm. So kids, remember, eating healthy is good for you. It gives you the strength to do tasks throughout the day. It is yet another sunny day at the super farm. Our cute little Cowie is sipping on some water by the stream. She's thirsty. She sees her mommy and goes, "That's right, moo, moo." Cowie loves her mommy, just like you love your mommy, isn't it, kids? Like any other cow, superhero Cowie too wears a bell in her neck. But this is no ordinary bell. It's magical. Oh no! Gander the goose is back at the super farm, ready to create a menace. Mama Cow is worried, but superhero Cowie isn't. As Gander approaches, Cowie decides to use the power of her super bell. She sends out strong vibrations from her magical bell. Oops! Gander the goose is not able to fly forward. These strong force fields from the super bell are interfering with Gander's flying ability. Yay! Cowie saves Mama Cow and herself from Goose attack.
Hooray!
Lucy, the tractor, had a big work day and is now resting up at the super farm. The goose is on the loose again. He's about to disturb Lucy's sleep. Now who will rescue her? Yay! Cowie has come to the rescue. First, Cowie uses her vibrations power from her super bell to stop the goose attack. Oh wow! Yummy super milk! Cowie sips on yummy super milk and grows big. Really big. She picks up Lucy with all that strength without Lucy even noticing. Gander the goose is amazed with Cowie's size and superpower. Cowie rises up in the air and bounces off.
Hooray!
So kids, put your listening ears on and remember, just like Cowie loves to help her farm family in times of need, you can help your family too in their daily routine. Be kind and help others, kids. There comes the super duck in a blue cap, Ducky.
Howdy.
Ducky is a male mallard duck with a green head, a white body, and bright orange feet. And Ducky loves to laugh.
Ouch!
Gander the goose has spotted Ducky by the pond. Ducky has the superpower to change water into ice. As Ducky touches the water in the pond with its feet, it changes to ice. Ducky glides over the ice and flies away.
Hooray!
Ducky is a traveler and loves to migrate in different seasons to different lands. That too with a suitcase. And kids, this is no ordinary suitcase. It's magical. Oh no! Gander the goose hasn't given up and is back for an attack. Don't worry, kids. Ducky has a plan. He opens the magical suitcase to release the laugh power. With this laughing superpower, Ducky can make anyone go into uncontrollable laughter. Gander the goose cannot help but just laugh without stopping. Super Duck Ducky tricks Gander the goose in a funny way and escapes. So kids, put your listening ears on and remember, make sure to laugh every day As the famous saying goes, laughter is truly the best medicine. Kids, this is Super Pig Pinto. Just like any other pig, Pinto loves to play in the mud with a ta-da-dad. But kids, Pinto is no ordinary pig. He wears a green eye mask and green shorts all the time. And he's got a pair of magical wings. With these wings, Pinto can soar through the sky. Gander the goose has spotted Pinto flying in the sky. Kids, looks like a fun flying chase will unfold between Pinto and Gander the goose. Funny Pinto. So kids, put your listening ears on and remember, just like Super Pig Pinto, you can have fun even when faced with a problem. As the famous saying goes, time flies when you're having fun. Ready to have a fun ride with Super Horse Dano? Joey and Dano are best of friends. Dano is brown in color and wears a magical saddle. What's a saddle, kids? The little seat on which you sit and ride the horse. Joey loves to feed Dano apples every day. That's why she has so much horsepower. She can gallop at incredible speeds. So kids, if you want to be fast and super energetic like Super Horse Dano, keep calm and eat an apple every day. Watching Dano ride around the farm, Gander the goose approaches Dano for an attack. Now, how will Dano rescue herself and her best friend Joey from Gander the goose? Dano and Joey start galloping away faster. Dano decides it is time to use the power of the magical saddle. She gives Joey a signal with a different kind of neigh. Joey kicks the magical saddle and it glows. Dano gets double the power to gallop even harder and faster. Wow! Dano is galloping so high as if flying in the air. Tired of chasing super fast Dano, Gander the goose decides to rest by the pond in the super farm. Here's Sammy, the super sheep. Fashionable Sammy is blue in color and wears a purple woolen scarf all the time. After all, wool comes from sheep, isn't it, kids?
Yay!
Sammy the super sheep loves to eat grass. These green herbs make him super intelligent.
I've got an idea!
With his super intelligence, Sammy has invented a super tool, Twinkle. Twinkle is Sammy's favorite magical super toy.
Hey!
Sammy gets to know when Twinkle is happy, excited, sad, or sleepy. Don't we all love these emotions, kids? Uh-oh, Twinkle is scared now. Looks like something is about to happen on the super farm. Gander the goose is back. Sammy's super intelligence tells him that the goose is about to peck on his wool.
I got an idea!
Sammy the super sheep gives his magic toy Twinkle the command to become a super boomerang. Oh wow, kids, look! Twinkle is now flying like a boomerang. Gander the goose flies away from the super farm, saving itself from the flying boomerang Twinkle. Good job, Red Barn heroes! So kids, put your listening ears on and remember, alone we can do so little, but together we can do so much. Teamwork makes the dream work. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Super Rooster Rocco loves to crow. He has a lovely colorful tail and he's got big muscles. Rooster Rocco loves to exercise. Exercising every day makes Rooster Rocco healthy and strong. He also flaunts letter R on his chest. Look, kids! Super Rooster's R is glowing as he's gaining power from all that exercise. So kids, put your listening ears on and remember, just like Rooster Rocco, make sure to love your body and exercise every day. Super Rooster Rocco is the ultimate protector of the farm, and he loves jumping up and down the trampoline so high. Rooster Rocco's superpower is karate. Karate? It is a kind of martial arts, kids. You can learn it in a dojo. Dojo? It's a Japanese word for a classroom for learning martial arts, kids. Gander the goose returns. He wants to grab those yummy eggs in the farm. And Rooster Rocco gets alert to use his martial arts skills. Gander gets into karate mode as well. After a zip-zap face-off with Gander the goose, Rooster Rocco decides to use the ultimate karate move. He packs in some more exercise by lifting up the big weight in front of him a couple of times. Oh wow, kids! Rooster Rocco gets double the power now. His R sign is glowing again. Rooster Rocco jumps up high and does a karate flip. Seeing Rooster Rocco's ultimate karate flip, the goose gets scared and flies away from the farm. Rooster Rocco is truly the ultimate protector of the farm. So kids, just like Super Rooster Rocco, you have got powers inside you to do anything you want. Just keep calm and believe in yourself.